In this video, we are going to see how to cancel purchase orders. This Excel spreadsheet is already connected to the Oracle instance. Let's bring up a new sheet with the Cancel Purchase Orders template. The Cancel Purchase Orders integrator has the following functionality: cancel entire purchase orders and their associated lines and schedules, cancel purchase order lines and their associated schedules, or cancel purchase order schedules. First, let's download some existing purchase orders using the download functionality. We provide two download options. Let's start with the download via form. In the download form, we provide various criteria to download existing purchase orders. Use the wildcard % to perform a full search. And then click on Download. Let's start by canceling entire purchase orders. I'm going to keep only a few orders. You have a few options to enter your dataset. You can type the data in. You could use Excel formula, like copy-paste. We also provide data forms that you can bring up from the main ribbon. You can use this data form to enter or complete your dataset. Mandatory fields are marked with a little icon. Finally, you can use the default values row to default some values. Then, when your dataset is ready, you can either validate only or validate and upload. Let's upload all rows here. The module starts with validation and then process only valid records using Oracle REST services. All these POs have been successfully cancelled. You can easily see that by downloading them. The status is now cancelled. By putting the upload action at the header level, it will cancel the entire POs. So the lines and schedules have been cancelled as well. Let's now take a look at a second scenario. We're going to download new purchase orders. On these POs, we are going to either cancel one line or a specific schedule. To do that, we still need to put an upload action at the header level. On this first PO, we are going to cancel the only line that exists. On this second PO, we're going to cancel only line number 2. Line number 1 should remain open. On this third PO, we're going to cancel one schedule only. Finally, on this last PO, we're going to put a cancel upload action, but we're not going to put the cancel reason. So this PO should not be cancelled and we should get an error message. Then let's highlight these POs and choose Upload Selected. When choosing Upload Selected, you can highlight any column that contains the data you want to upload. Most of the POs have been successfully cancelled. This one was not uploaded successfully because of the line cancel reason that was missing. You can always fix the dataset and then re-upload this PO only, again by putting your cursor on this row and choosing Upload Selected. Let's download these POs again to see the result. If you put a cancel action At the line or schedule level, the lowest level will take the priority. So on the second PO, we put the cancel action only for line number 2 of this PO. So that took the priority, and line number 1 remained open, and the corresponding schedule as well. If you cancel the only line of the PO, that would cancel the whole PO, of course, like it was the case for this first PO. And it's the same for the schedule. For that third PO, we actually canceled the only schedule for this line, so it canceled both the schedule and the line, but kept the PO open since there were a few lines on this PO.